Welcome to the weekly AI Digest by IT Voice, your weekly dose of AI news and trends. I'm your host Avishka Thadani and we've got some exciting stories to dive into today. So let's get started. Now, the rapid rise of DeepSeek AI, a Chinese chatbot, has triggered market turmoil and reignited concerns about global AI competition. Over the weekend, DeepSeek became the most downloaded free app on Apple's US App Store, leading to a historic $5 billion wipeout in Nvidia's market value, the largest single-day loss in the US stock market history. The chatbot's claim of developing its AI model for just $5.6 million compared to the billions spent by OpenAI and Google has raised skepticism, with analysts suspecting possible subsidies. This event, dubbed AI Sputnik movement, challenged Silicon Valley supremacy and signals China's strategic AI advancement. DeepSeek's rise has also sparked debate over India's AI readiness. A viral Reddit post lamented India's lack of deep tech AI research, arguing that the country is not just a decade but a century behind the US and China. Critics blame a service-based IT industry and limited AI budgets outside pharmaceuticals. India's ecosystem remains underdeveloped, with inadequate funding and infrastructure to compete globally, say venture capitalists. Speaking at the Capital Connect 2025 event, investors highlighted the country's lack of high-performance computing power, limited access to GPUs, and minimal deep tech funding. While China's DeepSeek AI demonstrated cutting-edge advancement, India is still in the early stages of AI infrastructure development. The government has launched the India AI mission with a budget of Rs 10,317 crore, but experts argue that deep tech requires longer funding cycles and great investment in research. Many believe India is better positioned to focus on AI applications rather than competing in its infrastructural development. Investors stress the need of patient capital, proposing that government-backed funds should allow 10 plus years for deep tech growth. Now, before we jump back into the mind-blowing world of AI, let me know if you're enjoying this video with a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and stay on top of all tech things. Here's why you should subscribe. IT Voice is your one-stop shop for the latest tech news. We cover everything from pioneering AI advancement to the hottest startups changing the game. We deliver fresh, in-depth content, stay ahead of the curve, and understand how tech is shaping our digital world. Hit that subscribe button and join the IT Voice community today. As the US tightens AI chip exports, India's artificial intelligence ambition face a major hurdle. The Biden administration, just before leaving the office, introduced regulation dividing the world into three categories: allied nation with unrestricted access, countries like India with limited GPU supplies, and fully restricted nations like Russia and China. If the incoming Trump administration enforces these curbs, India will be restricted to importing only 50,000 GPUs annually, potentially slowing down AI development. The India AI mission, backed by a $1.25 billion government incentives, highly relies on acquiring GPUs for infrastructure expansion. This restriction could impact Reliance and Tata's AI cloud computing plans, limiting India's ability to compete globally. US firms like Nvidia and Oracle have criticized the move, warning that it hands an advantage to Chinese competitors. In a historic move, Maharashtra is set to establish India's first artificial intelligence university, aiming to position the state as a leader in AI education and research. Announced by IT Minister Ashish Shelar on World Education Day, the university aligns with India's Viksit Bharat Mission 2047 and the country's ambition to become a $5 trillion economy. The institution will focus on AI, blockchain, quantum computing, and cybersecurity, bridging the gap between academia and industry. This initiative is part of government's election manifesto, highlighting its commitment to preparing the workforce for an AI-driven future. Maharashtra is also drafting a state-level AI and cybersecurity policy to maintain a competitive edge in emerging technology. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has emphasized AI's role in India's growth, calling it the era of artificial intelligence and aspirational India. Now, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. We would love to hear your thoughts on these developments, so drop a comment below. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you next time on IT Voice.